Hey there, thanks for joining me today. In this video, I'm going to show you the best way of eating a kiwi without having to peel the skin. So let's go and check it out. Right guys, so first things first, what you need is of course obviously your kiwis, which are here. I've got two. Also you need a knife to cut the kiwi. And lastly you need a spoon. So let's start off. What I do first things first is just gonna bring this a little further down so you can see what I'm doing. Right, so what I do is I cut the kiwi with my knife. Exactly half, okay? There you go. So that's one half of the kiwi. And then what I do is with the knife, with the knife, I take my spoon and I just dig it in to the sides of the kiwi. So that's where I would dig it in there, okay? And just like you're opening a tin can, that's just have to go with your spoon, like so, and just get it that way, okay? So that's what you're doing. All I'm doing is I'm just rotating with my left hand, I'm just rotating the kiwi so that with the spoon it takes off all the flesh of the kiwi, okay? And that's what I've done. And all you gotta do lastly is just pinch it out. Just pinch, just release the skin of the kiwi, like so. And yeah, so there you go. So at the bottom you can see it's this section over here that kind of latches onto it. Yeah, that section in the middle is the one that kind of, you gotta pinch it up from there. So that's how you peel it, and of course you get this beautiful fleshy bit of kiwi, which you can just like eat it. It's beautiful, isn't it? Yeah, and it's as simple as that. Just gotta do that. But let me just have it. Absolutely amazing. And that's how you eat a kiwi without having to peel the skin. If you found this video useful, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. It's 8181 How To. Tons and tons of videos coming up. Until next time, you take care, and I'm gonna go and finish this kiwi. Okay. Alright guys, see you soon. Bye for now.